Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, but this time it's based on Hydrogen OS and also it's for beta users. Recently OnePlus rolled out a new beta update which is Hydrogen OS Open Beta 6 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Here you can see the software information. Build is Hydrogen OS Open Beta 6. Android version is Android 11, which comes with 1st December 2020 security patch. And if you guys are not aware, Hydrogen OS is a Chinese software for Chinese users, but it can be easily installed globally. Here I have my OnePlus 8, which is an Indian variant on which I have installed Hydrogen OS. You can install it over current version of Oxygen OS by just performing a local upgrade. Hydrogen OS comes with lots of Chinese bloatwares, but those can be easily installed by long pressing on the specific application. Also, Hydrogen OS doesn't come with Google Play Store pre-installed. You need to manually install it if you're performing a clean installation. But if you're flashing it over Oxygen OS, which already have Google Play Store available, then you won't find any kind of issues with the Google Play services or Google apps. And most OnePlus users had issues related to this gap which is available at the bottom of keyboard. And finally, with this update, OnePlus have got the option to remove the blank space which is available at the bottom of keyboard. This is a new addition done by OnePlus on this latest beta of Hydrogen OS. And the settings can be found inside System, Language and Input, and here we have the option to adjust the height of keyboard, from where you can select between rise and hiding the bottom space. And here you can see the difference after enabling hide option. Basically, this update is equivalent to Oxygen OS Open Beta 5 with only one new addition which is related to keyboard height. Camera version remains same. Other than this, they have done lots of fixes related to system. Then they have optimized the background program management mechanism to improve standby performance. On the previous update, few users also reported issues related to smoothness of gaming. But I have been playing PUBG Mobile after this update on my OnePlus 8 and till now I haven't faced any kind of issues yet. After that, fixes have been done related to lock screen, in which most of the users were unable to unlock the device if they had used special characters. But I have personally tried, and here you can see I don't have any kind of issues unlocking my device using special characters. So this was a bug available on the previous update and that has been fixed now. Along with this fix, they have also done few fixes related to app crashing. I mean to say third-party applications. As I said, I have been using this build and till now I haven't found any kind of app crashes with third-party application. From the initial build, most of the users had issues related to gallery in which few photos are not being displayed. Hopefully this has been fixed with this update as mentioned in the changelogs. Until now I don't see any kind of loading issues with the photos in the gallery. On the previous update, few users also reported that there is no pop-up window when connecting to Bluetooth headsets. And that issue is I think still present on this latest update. I don't get any kind of pop-up when I open up my OnePlus Buds Z case. So I think this issue has still not been fixed. And this is not the case on Oxygen OS. On Oxygen OS, whenever I try to connect my OnePlus Buds Z or any OnePlus headset, I get a pop-up asking to pair the device. And the last fix is related to Wi-Fi, in which they have fixed the failure connection issue. Till now I have personally not faced any kind of issues related to Wi-Fi. On my device, both the bands of Wi-Fi are working great. So guys, these were the changes done with the latest Hydrogen OS Open Beta 6 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Now let's also take a look at the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 891, wherein multi-core have scored 3074. On Oxygen OS Open Beta 5, single core had scored 897 and multi-core had scored 3136. So slightly lower benchmark results to be seen on Hydrogen OS Open Beta 6. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 5,84,080. On Oxygen OS Open Beta, with Antutu benchmark application, device had scored 5,84,365. So again, slightly lower benchmark results to be seen with Antutu benchmark application. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest update of Hydrogen OS for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro users. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.